Hi there. We are now inside of NotebookLM. NotebookLM now has a new feature. We're presuming that you already know how to use NotebookLM. When you create a new notebook, you will notice that the interface is much the same. However, one element of that interface, if you click on the website area, you can now do is paste multiple URLs here in this area. Once you've pasted in your URLs, you may notice that some of the URLs are not considered to be valid by NotebookLM. NotebookLM will base its output on the URLs that are valid. One thing that you can do is you can click on Discover Sources. You can then write in sources that you want to add to this element. NotebookLM and Gemini will go and look for valid sources. For example, we will then click Submit. We will allow NotebookLM to go and look for sources based on our criteria. We can choose the sources that we want to add and then import them, and then the valid sources will then be added to our panel. You will then want to refresh your notebook. You will then see the description change. What you can then do is you can activate any of these sources that you want. For example, if you want to make a mind map of all of your available sources, you can click on Mind Map. If you want to generate an audio overview, you can customize that audio overview here in this area. You can make it longer or the default or shorter. And you can also generate a video overview, customize that overview, and then generate the video. So you can use sources that are URLs. And if you are sure of the sources that you want, you can also generate Discover Sources in order to find more sources and URLs to use in your synthesis. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.